Earn $637 per video copy and pasting videos. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll tell you about a brand new method through which you can earn $637 per video. This method is gonna be your rags to riches story. You are gonna end up making so much money with this. This method works worldwide and it doesn't matter where you live. You can live anywhere in the world, Africa, America, Asia, India. It doesn't matter where you live. You can live any and this method is gonna work for you wonderfully. And also, you don't need any investment whatsoever. All that you need is just your smartphone or your laptop or your phone, whatever you have, it's gonna work for you because this method requires absolutely no investment. So basically all that you need is just your internet and your smartphone or your laptop or your computer and you are good to go. But before we move any further, I wanna give you a small disclaimer that the following video is gonna be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, well then this particular method is not gonna work for you. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and not skip anything. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to warplus.com as soon as you come on to. So this is the affiliate marketing website that some of the biggest names on YouTube use and some of the biggest names in affiliate marketing use. So this particular website basically lets you automate your sales and they have top-notch products. Meaning it's not going to be hard to sell these products through affiliate marketing because as an affiliate marketer, your biggest worry is to sell products. But with this website, that worry is gone. So essentially all that you need is to just simply follow what I tell you. And you are gonna make really good money in affiliate marketing. And the best part is that you don't even have to work for it. You just have to do what I do and it's gonna be set on autopilot and you will not have to do anything whatsoever. Perhaps just use your computer or your smartphone to withdraw your earnings. But other than that, once you're set up, you won't have to do anything. You can even see some testimonials from some of the biggest names in the world of affiliate marketing, and all of them are saying that this particular website is the best website out there. Over here, simply click on sign up for free and then that's gonna take you over to the account creation panel on Foyer. Once you come over here, simply paste in a username, a password on your email, and then after that, simply create an account. Once you make the account, I'll catch you in 1 second. So once you have your account set up, this is the dashboard that you are going to be seeing. So not from over here on the right side. You have many different options. So click on marketplace and then that's going to take you over to their marketplace. So right, you can see that they have many different offers going on. So not from over here. You can either choose to filter these offers by keyword or by vendor. If you know of any vendors or if you just want to target any particular offer that you have in mind, but as a beginner, you won't know anything. So make sure to just simply take a look at this list. I'm gonna open up a few offers over here just so that we know what we're dealing with. So we have a many different offers. So I'm gonna find an offer that I think is gonna be good for us. We have this one. So I've just opened. Let's start taking a look from the first one. So over here we have the first offer and this particular offer is gonna teach our readers on how to earn more and work less by strategically delegating certain tasks. So over here, the web page looks really nice. So you have to make sure that the web page, the landing page offer should look absolutely amazing because if it doesn't look amazing, then that probably means that the product is also not good. You have to make sure that the landing page is absolutely wonderful because that is the page that is going to have the most impact on the people with whom you're going to be sharing this link with. So this offer is $22, so it's not that expensive as well. So meaning that people can buy. Then you have the second one. So this one is the breast cancer t-shirt design. And over here, we can see that these t-shirts look really nice. But these are very expensive designs. So I'm not sure if anybody is gonna buy this or not. So we're gonna take this offer out of the table. So this offer actually looks really nice because they have a video over here. So let's take a look at the video and see what's up with that. So once this has loaded up, you can see that this looks absolutely wonderful to over here. You can see that the offer is also that expensive and they also have discounts going on almost all the time, which means that they are definitely going to turn a lot of viewers into buyers. So I think I'm going to go with this particular offer because I am absolutely in love with the landing page. So that you understand what a good offer looks like, I want you to come back to Voy Plus and then from over here, click on affiliates on their main dashboard. So from over here, you can basically see your affiliate earnings commissions once you actually start earning. And over here you are gonna have everything stated. So not from over here. Simply click on affiliate from the top as well and then click on offers. When you go to the offers and from over here, I want you to just simply repeat the same process. And over here, let's take a look at where our offer is. So if you can find the offer that we just found previously over here, that's gonna be amazing. But if you don't find, we can just simply pick another offer. Before picking any offer, take a look at the right side, see how much commission you are gonna be getting from that particular offer. So over here, the first offer is gonna give us $1.65 for visitors. And also we have the conversion rates over here. So make sure that the conversion rate is a really high for any offer that you might want to go with. So over here we have these offers, and these offers are actually getting really good conversion rates. So anything above 10% is actually a good conversion rate. So like this one is very good because this is gonna give you $11 for every single visitor. So I'm gonna click on this offer, and then once I click on that, that's gonna take me over here. So from over here, you can actually see that the offer is about ads by application, and the presentation is also really nice. So over here, the commission is gonna be anywhere from $13 to all the way up to $146. So simply click on request by simply coming back and then click on request over here. And then once you do that, it's gonna take you over again to the same page and click on request approval. And then just simply type in some notes over here, basically telling them that you can get them a lot of sales and they will end up making a lot of sales and you will end up making a good money for yourself. So after that, simply click on request offer and then wait for a few hours and check your email. And what these links shortens do essentially is they basically shorten up whenever a person clicks on your link, they end up watching an ad. And for that ad, you get paid some money. So this is purely just gonna be an additional step to help you in making some extra money. So simply sign up on Bitly and just simply paste your link over here and shorten it. And once you have your shortened link, simply grab that link and we're gonna move on to the main step. And this is the step that is going to help us make a lot of money. So let's move on to step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to just simply take a look at your product. See what it's all about. So over here, our product is about ad spying. And over here, we can see that this particular product is basically a software that is going to protect you, ads and similar stuff. So the best way to go about this is to just simply copy the name of your product and then come onto YouTube. Once you come onto YouTube, click on the search bar, paste in the name of your product over here, and then after that, type in your full name of your product. So over here, as you can see that we have so many videos about this particular product over here. So click on filters and then after that, click on creative comments. The reason we're doing this is because we want to get videos that have absolutely no copyright claim whatsoever. So over here, these videos are not copyright protected and these are exactly about our product. So from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to just simply, any one of these videos which are about your product, copy the link from the search bar and then open up another tab and type in over here YT1S. So as soon as you type in YT1S, paste your video's link over here because we want to download this particular video's link and we want to re-upload this video onto our own channel because of course we want to make money with this. So click on get linked and then once you have actually downloaded this particular video, then I want you to just basically re-upload this video onto your own YouTube channel. So it's very easy. Click on download and your video is gonna start downloading. And then after that, you can just simply route this video to your own channel. I'll do that right and I'll catch you in 1 second. So once you have the video downloaded, after that, I want you to just simply drag and drop that video onto your own channel. And then after that, in the description, I want you to just simply paste your affiliate link. Once you do that, what this is gonna do is this is gonna let you publish this video on YouTube and you don't even have to make the video your. All that you need to do is to just simply re-upload these videos as many times as you can and just simply paste your affiliate link. Whenever people are gonna watch these videos, they are gonna want to try out the product and then to try out these products. You can just simply give your affiliate link in the description and they're gonna click on your link and you will end up making commissions in the range of 30 to all the way of up to $146. This might take some time to get it started with in the start because of course in the start it's not that easy. But trust me, with time and with effort, it is gonna become so easy for you to actually make money with this method that you are gonna be making money on autopilot. If you still have any questions, and make sure to leave it in the comment box down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. So, okay, this was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also share this video with anybody else who might find this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.